Hey guys, welcome to ProTrack Learn to Grow. In this video, we are going to discuss comparison of fractions. Or if we are given with two fractions and we are asked which is greater or which is smaller, then how do we compare the fraction into greater or smaller? We will learn in this video. So let's get started. Firstly, in case of like fractions. How do we compare in case of like fractions? Here we are given with two like fraction and they are 5 by 14 and 9 by 14. Okay, so we have to tell which is greater. We are having 5 by 14 and the other fraction is 9 by 14. Okay, these are two fractions given to us and we have to tell which is greater or which is smaller. Okay, so let's come to this point which is written on the right side, and the point is if two fractions have same denominators. If two fractions have same denominators means they are like fractions, then the fraction with greater numerator. The fraction with greater numerator is the greater one. Means the fraction which will be having greater numerator will be considered as greater. Okay, here you can clearly see 9 is the greater numerator than 5. Hence 9 by 14 is greater than 5 by 14. Okay, this is how we compare when we are having like fractions. Okay, we are having many cases, so let's proceed. Okay, second case is when we have same numerators and different denominators. We are given with the fractions in which numerators are same and denominators are different. Okay, you can see here numerator are same, that is 7, and denominators are different, that is 9 and 5, and the fractions given to us are 7 by 9 and the other fraction is 7 by 5. So numerators are same and denominators are different. Here the technique we will use is if two fractions have same numerators. If two fractions have same numerators, you can see here two fractions have same numerators here and different denominators. Okay, if two fractions have same numerators and different denominators, then fraction with greater denominator means the fraction which will be having greater denominator will be the smaller one. Okay, greater denominator here you can see out of 9 and 5 the greater denominator is 9. Hence, the fraction with greater denominator will be smaller. Hence, 7 by 5 is greater than 7 by 9, or you can say 7 by 9 is smaller than 7 by 5. Okay. Hence, this is the case of same numerators and different denominators. Let's see the next case. Next, we have the case of unlike fractions. Okay, we know how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Hence, first we will convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then it will be easy to compare them. So, how do we convert unlike fractions into like fractions? The first step is to take out the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Okay, hence the denominators here are 5 and 8. So, let's take out the LCM for 5 and 8. Okay, first of all, we can use 2. 2 4s are 8. Again, we can use 2 here. 5 will be written as same. 2 2s are 4. Again, we can use 2. So 5 again same. 2 1s are 2. Now we can use 5 here. Okay. So 5. 5 1s are 5. Now let's see what is the LCM. LCM will be equal to all the factors. Multiplication of all the factors obtained. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 40. Hence LCM is equal to 40. Okay. Now we will make the denominators equal to 40 of the given fractions. Okay. Means we are making equivalent fractions. In simple words, 9 by 5. First of all, we will convert 5 to 40. So what should be multiplied to 5? 8 should be multiplied to 5 to obtain 40. Okay. And again 8 will also get multiplied with 9. So 8 into 9 gives us 72. That is 72 by 40 is the equivalent fraction for 9 by 5. Okay, we will find out the equivalent fraction for 7 by 8 too. So 8, what should be multiplied to 8 to obtain 40? To obtain 40, what should be multiplied? 5. Okay, 8 into 5 gives us 40. and 5 will be multiplied to 7 also. 7 into 5 gives us 35. Okay, hence the equivalent fractions obtained for 9 by 5 and 7 by 8 are 72 by 40 and 35 by 40 respectively. Now you can see the obtained fractions have same denominators, and now we can compare them. The fraction which will be having the greater numerator will be the greater one. Hence you can see 72 is greater than 35. Therefore 72 by 40 is greater than 35. Hence 72 by 40 is equal to what? 9 by 5. And therefore 9 by 5 is greater than 35 by 40 is equal to 7 by 8. Hence this is how we compare unlike fractions. Therefore 9 by 5 is greater than 7 by 8. This is how we this is how we compare unlike fractions. Okay, let's proceed now. Okay, types of questions which can be asked from comparison of fractions are, first of all, which is larger. Here you can see we are given with two fractions and they are unlike fractions. You can see clearly we are given with two fractions. First is 5 by 7 and second is 3 by 8. Okay, we have to tell which one is larger here. So first of all, first step is to take out the LCM. So in the first step we will take out the LCM of 7 and 8. So we can use 2 first of all. For lowest terms we can use 8 directly, but let's take 2 because we are taking out the least common factor. Okay, least common multiple, sorry, LCM. 2 4s are 8 and 2 we will use again 2. 7 is written as same again. 2 2s are 4. Again we can use 2. Okay, 7 will be written as same. 2 1s are 2 and 7 7 7 1s are 7, and now we will take out the LCM. Okay, therefore LCM here will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. You can see here 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 and 7 8s are 56. Hence the LCM obtained is 56. Now what do? We make the denominator of the given fraction equal to the LCM obtained. Okay, so the given fraction, the first given fraction is 5 by 7. Hence we have to make 56. So what should be multiplied to 7 to get 56? To get 56 we will multiply 8, right? We will multiply 7 by 8 and we will multiply 5 again by 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Hence the first equivalent fraction for 40 is for 5 by 7 is 40 by 56. Now we will make 3 by, now we will make a equivalent fraction for 3 by 8 also. So what should be multiplied to 8 to get 56? To get 56, 8 should be multiplied to 7. Okay, therefore 3 will also get multiplied by 7. 7 into 3 gives us 21. That is 21 by 56. Okay, both the fractions are converted to equivalent fractions with same denominators. Okay, now the fractions are 40 by 56 and 21 by 56 respectively. Okay, now the fraction with greater numerator will be the greater one. Greater numerator is 40 here. Hence 40 by 56 is greater or larger, you can say. Therefore, in 5 by 7, 5 by 7 is equal to 40 by 56. Means 5 by 7 is larger than 3 by 8. Okay. So, if we are asked this type of question, we will solve it like this. Okay. Let's proceed now. Second type of questions we can be asked is, we are given with some fractions, with some unlike fractions, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. What is ascending order? Smaller to greater. Okay, so first of all we have to know which is smaller and which is greater. So again we will take out the LCM of the denominators of these given fractions, and then we will take out the equivalent fractions with the same denominators. Then we will compare them and then we will arrange them into ascending order. Okay, First of all, we will take out the LCM of the given denominators. Given denominators here are 8, next is 6, next is 4, and next is 3. 8, 6, 4, 3. These are the given denominators to us. Okay, let's use 2 first. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 3 is written as same because 3 is not the factor. Okay, 3 is not the multiple of 2, so we will use 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 3 will be written as same, 2 1s are 2, 3 will be again written as same. We can again use 2 for this 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 3 will be written as same, this one will be same, this 3 will be again same. Now we can use 3. Okay, so this is 1 3, this is again 1, this is again 1, and this will be 1. 3 1s are 3. Hence now we will take out the LCM. LCM will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 gives us 4, into 2 gives us 8, 8 3s are 24. Hence the LCM obtained is 24. Okay, now we will find out the equivalent fractions for these fractions. So first fraction is 3 by okay, let me erase this. First fraction is you can see here, the first fraction is 3 by 8. Okay, so we will take out the equivalent fraction for 3 by 8, which will be having denominator equal to the LCM obtained. LCM is 24. So what should be multiplied by 8 to get 24? LCM is 24, right? So what should be multiplied by 8 to get 24? We know 3. 8 into 3 gives us 24. So numerator will also get multiplied by 3. 3 into 3 gives us 9. Okay. Second fraction we are having here is 5 by 6. So what should be multiplied by 6 to get what? To get 24. So 6 into 4 gives us 24, and 5 into 4 gives us 20. Second is equal to 20 by 24. Means second fraction, that is 5 by 6, is equal to 20 by 24. And the third fraction we are having here is 2 by 4. Now what should be multiplied by 4 to get 24? What should be multiplied by 4 to get 24? 4 should be multiplied with 6. Also 2 should be multiplied with 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 by 24. Okay. Next is 1 by 3. Now what should be multiplied by 3 to get 24? What should be multiplied? 8 should be multiplied. Okay. 3 into 8 gives us 24, and 1 will also get multiplied by 3, and this gives us 3. 3 by 24. Now we will arrange them in ascending order. Okay. First of all, you can see here, now all the fractions, all the equivalent fractions we have obtained for the given fractions are having same denominators. Hence the fraction which will be having greater numerator will be greater one, and which will be having smaller numerator will be smaller one. Okay, you can see smaller numerator is 3 by 24 first, then 9 by 24, then 12 by 24, and then 20 by 24. Okay, we have to arrange them in ascending order, means smaller to greater. So this will become in first position. First, this will be written first, then this will be written second, and this will be written as third, and this will be written as fourth. Okay, so first is 3 by 24. 3 by 24 is smaller than what? 3 by 24 is smaller than 9 by 24, and the third one is 9 by 24 is smaller than 12 by 24, and the last and fourth one is 20 by 24. Means 12 by 24 is smaller than 20 by 24. Okay, so this is the ascending order we have obtained. Now we will write it in the form of given fraction. 3 by 24 is equal to what? 3 by 24 is equal to 1 by 3. Means 1 by 3 is smaller than 3 by 8. 12 by 24 is equal to what? 2 by 4. 3 by 8 is smaller than 2 by 4. And lastly, 20 by 24 is equal to 5 by 6, and 2 by 4 is smaller than 5 by 6. Hence, this is the ascending order for the given fractions to us. Okay, this question is solved as like this. Okay, let's proceed now. Next question is a word problem. Word problem can also be asked. Okay, here in the question you are given with the cost of mathematics book is rupees 25 whole 3 by 4, and that of science book is 20 whole 1 by 2. Okay, these are the cost for mathematics and science books, and you are asked which book costs more. Okay, so we have to tell which is the greater fraction here, or which cost is more. Okay, so as usual, you write these statements for word problem. First of all, you will write cost of mathematics book is equal to rupees 25 whole 3 by 4, and second statement will be equal to the cost of science book is equal to rupees okay, here rupees should also be mentioned, rupees 20 whole 1 by 2. Okay, these will be two statements. Now you have to compare. Okay, then the solution will be same. So first of all, we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, firstly you will write these statements and then you will solve them. So first of all, you will convert them into improper fractions because these are given as mixed fraction to you. So 25 whole 3 by 4 will be equal to 103 by 4, because 25 into 4 gives us 100. 100 plus 3 gives us 103 by 4. Hence 25 whole 3 by 4 will be equal to rupees 103 by 4. And this 20 whole 1 by 2 gives us 20 into 2 gives us 40. 40 plus 1 gives us 41 upon 2. This we have learned in the last videos. Okay, so these mixed fractions are written into improper fractions now. Okay, now we have to compare these two fractions, and they are 103 by 4 and 41 by 2. So we will use the same procedure as we were using. Okay, we will take out the LCM of these denominators. Denominators are 4 and 2 here. Okay, so we will use 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and we will again use 2. 2 1s are 2, and finish. Okay, therefore LCM here will be equal to 2 into 2. Therefore 2 into 2 gives us 4. Okay, 2 into 2 gives us 4. The LCM is 4 now. So we have to make the denominators equal to 4, and which is the LCM obtained to us. Okay, what should be multiplied to 4 to get 4? 1. Okay, 4 into 1 gives us 4, and 103 should also be multiplied to 1. This will again give us 103. Okay, and the next fraction is 41 by 2. What should be multiplied to 2 to get what? LCM obtained. LCM is equal to 4. So 2 should be multiplied to 2 to obtain 4. And 41 will also be multiplied to 2. And 41 into 2 gives us 82. Okay. Now these are the fraction, or these are the costs having same denominators. Okay. Now we can compare them easily. So rupees, first is rupees 103 by 4, and second is rupees 82 by 4. Now you can see denominators are same, and the fraction which will be having greater numerator will be the greater one. Greater numerator here is 103. Therefore 103 by 4 will be greater than 82 by 4. Okay. Now we will write their respective fractions which were given in the questions. 103 by 4 is equal to what? 25 whole 3 by 4 is greater than 82 by 4 is equal to what? 41 by 2, and 41 by 2 is equal to 20 whole 1 by 2. Okay, this is how we compare the cost. Okay, and we can write the last statement as 25 whole 3 by 4 is the cost of which book? It is the cost of mathematics books. Hence at last we will write the cost of mathematics book is more or is greater than science book. Okay, Hence, this is how we solve the numerical problems or word problems. Okay. Now, this is a practice question for you. Do practice it and drop your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.